This is Strictly Hip Hop.
Yeah. That was Umerel. This is our gigaba. It's easy, the project today hasn't I noticed late because I saw it on K-Mass on this project. And hasn't I noticed late that
project doesn't matter with uzobile umere
yeah
uhleze lo mere lo ungayizwa yena ukuthi mhlawumbe ipeli likhuphukile ama concerts akhuphukile kodwa ayishintshi imithi yakhe uhleze lo mere lo yathathwa imithi yaphehlwa yakhwifwa uhleze uyimali lo yakhe
yeah one of the ama-legends abantu engaba-legends ama-legends of maseziwa
consistency
lapha uMerel since ngamazi unje
yafethu unje
akasho
stage akanawo ukuthi mhlambe hayi basexwaya into yanga uvela ngena ayishintshe sho kube yakhe ibe
asipone the stage like you can even see like even ngabona like intwana lakena nemva kwakhe like basebenzisa the same energy ukhombisa ukuthi lo muntu lokhona lendlela le ayivulile and balandela yona
mhlawumbe seningaba khona lento ukuthi mhlawumbe khona ukubukela ngaphansi mhlawumbe wenza igama lakho umuntu owaba khona kuqala ufuna uveze usuwena ungenza ngcono naye kodwa boMerel masikhuluma ngenanda ayishayeli lo nje stable futhi ukuthi mocabanga ngenanda cabanga uMerel qala ukuthi inanda ngisho kanjani na cabanga uMerel qala ngoba waqhamuka nenye into yakhe lo nje wayibiza nge hip hop girl